are on our way on our very first off-road trip in the FJ Cruiser.
We're determined to find Bigfoot. We heard that there was a sighting.
Oh, great. Up in the hills, Bigfoot, that is.
Yeah, this is an urban Bigfoot. This is the real one.
And it's not going to be foresty up there, so there isn't going to be much room for him to be hiding.
No.
He should be easy to spot.
You got to show him this horse up here.
Where's the horse?
On your right. Don't see that every day where we live.
Where?
2 horses, my bad.
Oh, just out. I thought you meant a special horse that lived in a yard.
2 horses right
4
there.
horses.
Oh, 4. Wow. People
Cool.
going on a early evening horse ride. We'll sound the alarm if we see Bigfoot because he's known to attack horses.
Do you know which hill we're going up? Did Jason point it out to you?
I hope it's the one with the snow on top, but no.
Okay, we're following behind the kids. Jason and Amanda are in front of us in a Jeep, red Jeep. And
We're in a mystery mobile.
Yeah, the grandkids are with them. And this is, they're showing us where they like to go. So this is our first time
excited.
going. We got a compass.
Compass, inclinometer.
Oh.
It's 58 degrees out.
Yes. And we're excited. I gotta see your moves, honey, your off-roading moves. We've actually never gone off-roading together.
Nope.
Fun.
This will be a first.
Gonna be impressed with your skills.
Yeah, I'm gonna develop them as I go.
Yeah, because if we've never driven this vehicle, so we'll see how it goes. Here we go. Oh, I see, because that big old pile's there. Then what, you need to put it back in?
No, just stay in 4. We're in 4-wheel drive. There's a scratch that Amanda's not happy with.
She said we weren't going to that one. Here we go. Here's Steve's driving face.
This thing's torquey.
Pretty. But there's some mountain lions up here.
Whoa, what's gonna happen up there?
Oh boy. Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
Okay.
Holy moly.
This is the beginner one?
I don't know.
That is
crazy. Are you gonna go right across that rock?
Probably could, but whoa, that was kind of scary.
Wow.
Is this the beginner one? I don't know which way he went around this, do you?
Up this.
You sure?
I think so. He went that way, I think. I don't know. I didn't pay attention. I was looking up there. Oh my goodness. We need a GoPro on the front of the vehicle. There's a big old rock somewhere right here.
I mean, this thing hasn't having any issues.
No.
But
none at all.
I really don't know what I'm doing. Did we tell them we've never done this before?
Well, they know we've never driven in it. So they definitely know.
I just don't know about the. Yeah, I mean, like here's how you approach this.
Yeah.
Like if we were out here by ourselves, I would have said, we're not going up that real steep one. I wouldn't have.
I guess is that horse poop?
It's definitely scat.
There's cars out there. How did a car get out here?
It feels weird because we actually, we drove this out here and we have to drive it home.
Yeah. In the dark. Can you imagine that? Good thing we have good lights on here. This is so cool. It's like driving on the moon. Wow, he purposely went up that.
I'm not doing that.
Oh, neat. Cool. It's cool up there.
Horses down there and dogs.
Oh, that's who was pooping. Rattlesnakes out there, you guys. It's not sunny.
In the summertime, definitely.
We still have agriculture out here.
Some, yeah. Okay.
What are we going to do about the horses? They're like, this is our property.
Good thing they took us on the easy one.
Oh my goodness.
He's like, you want to test your vehicle, then we'll test it.
Whoa, and it handles it fine.
I
You
know.
think something's gonna scrape,
I know.
and it's
We
fine.
didn't have that lift.
Yeah.
I would not know what the heck I was doing.
Bye, horses.
I mean, I don't know anyway. Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness.
Trying to follow his,
Tire tracks?
because I don't know what's going to be up there. Like, what is... It's kind of exhilarating, but it's also like
Stressful?
when it's, when it feels like you're going to go, like,
I feel like we're gonna flip.
Yeah.
On that one where I was really low, I'm like, I should climb over on that side of the vehicle.
I feel like that too, but I'm sure that's just once you learn what the vehicle can do.
Are we going up
Where
that?
are we going?
No. Hopefully we're going to the right. Not up that. No way. Okay. I'm like, he can't take our grandkids up there.
We were gonna say
You
start
can't
honking.
go up there.
Yeah, we'll hold the kids.
Yeah.
Steven went down this, my other buddy went down this too.
Get that.
What?
I haven't tried it yet.
When we pulled up,
Actually,
we thought you were going up that.
Approach the things.
just follow. You can't go wrong. I'm not saying everything. Steven got stuck on that rock right there. He came through here, fell in. Yeah, and then his diff was stuck on this rock. It actually was higher. We took a shovel and buried it until the rock fell down, and then he got out of it.
Oh my gosh.
The first one you went up, we were like,
Is he really going up that?
what happens when you get up there? What's...
You were going up that steep one right there. We were
Oh yeah, we were like, nope, we're
way.
we're not following you. I thought he was gonna tell us we're going down that.
Yeah. Hey, I just wanted you to know we're going down there.
This is actually a vehicle we're driving. This is we're driving us home.
It's so
Oh,
weird
settings,
and
yeah.
dry looking. And then it gets
high
really
desert.
flat right there. It's pretty. I don't know. I guess, I mean, there hasn't been a place where we would have gotten stuck yet.
No.
So,
There is something fun about like actually.
he went in the mud. I didn't even see it was wet until I saw chunks flying. What were you saying? There's something fun about what?
Like actually, even with a car, like if you were going around a track or something, where you actually have to drive.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like you have to be conscious, and there is something fun about that.
Oh my goodness. What
I think this
Are
lights up over here because it shows all four wheels. So it's
are we gonna do here? If you really hug the right, it probably won't be as bumpy.
Well, I also don't want to get tilted to where.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. What is up there? And what?
Sounds like you can just get jammed in that, huh?
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, is right.
Oh. And then what?
Here we go.
I don't know. He full on scraped the vehicle. Now we know why some of them have that light on the front, or that camera on the front.
Mm-hmm.
You can see what's down there. Oh man. Try not to go down that. Go
How am I
way
gonna
on the
avoid it?
left. Oh my goodness. Oh. Yikes.
Oh,
I hope we don't have to come back that way.
Thank goodness we had body armor on there. 'Cause we definitely.
I don't know what to do. He's looking out the window. Maybe you should do that too.
There's, I mean. Thank goodness for body armor.
Wow, it's neat up here.
Yeah, it is.
Pretty.
Oh, which way are we going?
That little rockiness.
Hang on.
I don't have a seatbelt on. Let's put my shoes on.
Okay, trying to follow his trail.
Just took the highest points. Oh my goodness. We don't like that rock.
Can you see it? Tell me when I'm passing it. Yep, am I?
We've passed it. I mean, the front has passed it.
I know, but
Yeah, we didn't even get close, I don't think.
okay. It's hard. You can't see. You need
I know.
spotters.
The front of the car is so high.
Like you really do need somebody spotting you out there and saying.
Well,
okay.
once you know the range, you probably can eyeball it. But right now, we have no idea how wide our tires are, how long the front is.
Nothing.
Yeah, if we weren't following him, I would have hopped out many times now
Yeah.
and watched you go up something.
Yep.
Wow, look at that.
Yep. We're up here. Look on you. Compare the side. You got that side. Look at my side.
There's that. And then
Giant boulders. Bigfoot boulders.
California. Different type of California.
So Steven gets out here and gets all. Oh, this is
I
nice.
think it's all crazy.
Yeah.
I bet Jason did too before he had grandkids, you know, kids in the car. Careful over here, there's rocks or scrapers, but they're gone. Wow. What if somebody else came down? Where do you go? Let's back up a while. I guess I don't know what
Oh
people
boy.
Somebody could come up that at any second.
Look at that.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. I'm gonna try to follow his same trail. I don't know if he hit this rock or went over it or. Plus we're wider than him, huh?
Yeah. Do you want me to get out?
I don't know what you would do if you got out.
Hi.
Where do I go?
I don't know. Oh, look, people camp up here and stuff, and I guess this is where they get out.
There is 100% from when it had the crazy rain. It just never dried up.
Yeah.
Dean, look at this lake. Look.
This lake over
Look at the lake.
Yeah, that's just
all of the
farmland.
water
That was
around
there,
it, like
too.
it was way bigger. I have a picture. Stop, stop, stop.
Dean, be careful. These rocks, you'll slide off of them.
And so most of it dried up.
I will way,
Like you can see
and
that
I
to the
will
right
be
where it kinda
way
went all the
down
way.
there.
It's like a full-blown
Yes.
coast.
So you got to be careful up here.
Wow.
And you have Debbie right there.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, when it was snowing, it was like super big up here.
This is neat.
So do you guys turn around and go back the same way?
So people come up
Sometimes.
here.
There's different ways down.
They come up here and start fires and hang out.
Yeah, people come up here.
We saw people on horseback, a guy in a pickup.
Yeah.
Get away from that edge,
This is nice.
as I said.
So would you consider what we did easy?
Mild.
Mild? Man, because it got my heart going.
That first hill we went up, there would be several times, like when we first started going out, where I'm like, have we gone up this before?
This is just a giant granite rock.
Yeah.
Pretty though, huh?
Yeah. The drive up is incredible. It's so much fun, but I feel like I don't know what I'm doing. The first one we were like, whoa, but that's nothing compared to some of the other ones.
Because I was telling Amanda, I was like, I'm not sure, like, I don't want to like stand that road and get up here and you guys are like, that was kind of boring, you know? But
Dude, there was nothing more. The whole time we're like, this is. I was saying, hey, it feels good to have to drive.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
you're not just cruising, you are focused and
You're
you have
paying
to.
attention.
Yeah. And it feels good. Like this was, I don't know how you guys figure that out. Like,
Oh, it's been up here forever.
but just know like how you're, like the angles you're taking, you know, there's, I don't know. That one was hairy though, the one where we just rubbed on the bottom.
Oh.
It never
It's 'cause of the
stopped.
dip, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it never stopped.
No,
That thing never stopped. It just kept going.
I'm sure it skips like it protects it, but I'm
Yeah.
sure it helps when you rub
Yeah.
to like not bind you up on it.
Even those rails on the side would definitely save the door.
Oh yeah, you got sliders.
Yeah. Yeah,
You
they,
go back in there where it's real tight and like, yeah, you got a rock this far from this cab and the same on the other, and you're like,
When the window fly away, I walked it right there.
it did?
Yeah, when
This was fun coming up here.
the big wind comes, this will booked off.
Exactly. This is nice up here. You like coming up here?
Yeah.
It's fun, huh?
I watch a big wind comes all these broke.
Yep. Where are you going?
And what is that?
Piece of wood that somebody set on fire. Let's look over this rock.
Aren't those nice?
Don't go too far. I can't believe that water stayed there this long, too.
Well, you can see like all to the left where there's little mini.
Oh, yeah.
It was
Cars
all that,
right down
and then to
there.
the right, like where that
Tap out.
line is, it
Oh, I
was
see.
all
Excuse
that.
me.
That's huge.
Why those cars way down there?
They're probably going home from work.
That's from One Expressway, I think.
That's a main road down there.
Look at that huge truck going by.
I know. Look up there. There's snow on the mountains up there.
Oh yes.
This is nice, though. It is
Look
a
at that.
nice view.
Is she cold?
she didn't want me.
Oh, she want to grab me?
Yeah.
This is really cool. Where did you guys get, where did,
Her socks are outside her pants.
You want to see this? Check out this.
I have a
It's pretty good hill right here too.
where did you guys get, stuck in the mud?
Right there.
That's where you were?
No, but I haven't been up that.
Oh, did we? So we didn't come up by that?
No, that's the other way.
You go up that?
I have not. My friend has. I have. It's steep. That bottom one, it's
I
steep.
could tell it's steep from this angle. Yeah, I'm not ready for that.
No. I don't think I even went down. I might have went down it.
We're fortunate to have that vehicle because it definitely makes up for, you know what I mean? Like not knowing what you're doing, that thing's gonna get you out of trouble.
Oh yeah, you're in no trouble up here.
I mean,
Driving off the side of this cliff.
I couldn't believe what you were going through.
I'm
Like
telling
without having the bottom just get tore up.
you. Oh,
Like you were getting on these weird angles. I'm like, oh my goodness, what are we gonna do?
I'm gonna get his gloves out.
all right.
So this thing Jeep did good, man.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
$1,500 is all.
That's
I
unbelievable.
got like 2,000 into it now at the
You have to
time.
go potty.
No,
thank
that's
you.
fantastic.
I have binoculars too.
But that was fun, man. That was
This is what I
adrenaline rush.
got this for, is because that's what there was like a lot of times where like Sunday night, but like 3 o'clock we did everything we needed to do, and we were just kind of like hanging out. And I was like, it'd be nice to just like kind of like go mess around, not like have to pay to do something,
Yeah.
you know. And so I started looking at like the razors
Yes.
and rhinos. I looked at those first, but you're looking at like easy $10,000.
Oh my goodness.
So I
That's
looked at
crazy.
it cheap and I was like, $2,000 you could get one street legal. like this
Yeah.
is way better. You're enclosed.
Yeah. And it can get you out here and back.
Oh yeah,
The thing is serious. I was watching like the things articulating and
it droops quite a bit, huh?
but it was shocking. Like I was like, man, he's going into, you're heading into this one. To us it was a deep rut. Like it just went down. I was like,
He's not gonna make it.
hi.
He's not gonna make it.
But do you get that feeling like, uh-oh, there's this weird sensation.
Not too much anymore.
Because we've never been driving up a hill like that.
Oh,
And the sensation is, we're going to flip over
yeah.
here.
You get like a vertigo kind
Yeah.
of thing going on, huh?
Yeah. But man, that was fun.
Yeah, we got stuck. It was a different hill. There was different hills we got stuck in. It was more. I don't know if you could see. I mean, you guys can see it.
This is really cool because your house is real close.
Yeah, I mean, we were looking at it. I could definitely see our house from here. I just don't know where to look, really. You can see that's the chicken ranch right there. Those buildings right there.
Yeah.
That's the road we came up.
Oh, okay.
I'm a little bit to the left of that.
Do you ride motorcycles here too?
No, I used to ride here, but this isn't good for there's no jumps or tracks back here, so no one on dirt bikes really comes up here.
So it's just the off-road people and horses.
Yeah. There is like you can see kind of the bottom of this hill. Someone made a dirt bike track.
Oh, okay.
But it's not a good one.
Yeah. Really neat, and it's close.
But you can see, you can see how many, like you see the main road and all the trails going all off of it and around it and down in there. And
Man, this spot is cool. When we popped up here, it was like, hey, this is really neat.
When you were coming up, and I'm like, how do you know another car's not coming over
I know,
that hill?
like when you're
Amanda said
blind.
the same thing.
But it's flat up here, so it makes sense. Your hat?
Dad.